This is exercise 2.4, 7th question, first subdivision. The question is to show that 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10 is purely imaginary. We have to prove that this whole complex number is purely imaginary. There are power 10. Power 10 is difficult to do. We cannot do power 10 and all. We know a plus b whole square formula, you can easily expand. Power 10, we cannot do the expansion and find the answer here. So these type of questions we have to approach using the properties of the complex numbers which you have learned. So here let us see how to approach this question. Solution. We learned some properties of complex numbers using the conjugation. So what condition we are going to use here is Z is purely imaginary. When a complex number is said to be purely imaginary, that is what we learned in our previous video. What is called purely when a complex number is purely imaginary? If and only if Z bar equal to minus Z. This is what we learned as a property. So using this property, they have given one question. You have to use this property here. What is the property here? Z is purely imaginary. A complex number is purely imaginary only if Z bar is equal to minus Z. If you prove this, this is enough to show this question. So no need to find expansion and all. So what is given here? Let us see. They have given a complex number Z. As a whole, you take it as a complex number. That is 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. இது ஃபுல்லாவே ஒரே காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரை எடுத்துக்கலாம் நம்ம. So therefore, what is Z bar? Z bar na இதோட conjugate. So this is whole bar you have to write now. So 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10, a whole bar I have to write now. And what is the another property we have learned? In the whole bar is nothing but individual bar. That is the another property we have written now. Z1 minus Z2 whole bar is equal to Z1 bar minus Z2 bar. This is the another property we have learned. Whole bar is nothing but individual bar. So using this property, we can make it as individual bar now. So 2 plus I root 3 power 10 in the complex number ku oru bar minus 2 minus I root 3 in the complex number ku power 10. இதுக்கு ஒரு individual bar separate பண்ணிடலாம். And you know how to find the conjugate now. What is the conjugate of 2 plus I root 3? The conjugate of 2 plus I root 3 is 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. Let it be as it is. Here we are finding the conjugate. The bar means conjugate. And this is similarly it is 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10. I have found the conjugate here. I have found the conjugate. Both are conjugate. I have found the conjugate now. Now what we will do, let us take the minus as common. Taking minus sign as common. There are two elements are there. Let us take the minus sign as the common. If I take the minus sign common, I will have to write this one as first. That is 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 I have to write first. Then minus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. This one I have to write next. So then we multiply this will become negative and the minus into minus will become positive here. So just I have taken the minus sign as common here. Now observe this. What is this one? This is the question. 2 plus I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10. That is what we have named it as Z. So this is minus. The whole thing is nothing but Z. So we have proved that Z bar equal to minus Z. See, what is the condition? If Z bar equal to minus Z, then Z is purely imaginary. Therefore, Z is purely imaginary. Just using the properties we are doing this question. Just end of the proof.